This is how to wash your dirty clothes off-grid.
Astro Kids and their journey to the fifth dimension.
You have many options to wash your clothes off-grid without electricity, but some of them do suck. Kind of like this guy. So he's a little mini washing machine that you can put like a couple of pieces of clothing in, and you kind of spin it as so. I mean, it's fine if you're washing some underwear. It's better than nothing, but you know, it kind of lacks. And here we have a DIY option. It's kind of got like a plunger here, and it's actually stuck to the bottom. You plunge here and kind of creates a suction and a flow of water, and mothers here use this to wash diapers, dirty diapers. It kind of works, but I mean, you can't wash a lot, of course, again, and it's very labor intensive. And here you've got the mother lode of all off-grid washing machines. It's the Amish washing machine right here. And we recently just purchased this from an Amish auction for around 400-500 bucks. Hand built by them. So this system to wash your clothes captures the rainwater here on the roof, takes it into the drain and collects it into this barrel. You simply turn it on.
What do you think about while you wait for the tank to fill out?
Food. Pretty much food. So once your water is at an adequate level for a good slosh, then add your Dr. Bronner's soap. Not sponsored, but come on.
A little more.
A little more. And put on your lid. And get to work.
Yeah. Go tree.
But this motion uses a lot of energy because you're pushing it all the way forward and all the way back. But it's actually on a pendulum. So instead of doing this, use the gravity and force already being made. You can have some, what's it? Yeah, what's this? Motion. Tai Chi! Tai Chi! You can do your Tai Chi while you wash your clothes. The water is going over the clothes and it's turning it, twirling it. So after 5-10 minutes of sloshing around or whenever you feel like it's clean in there, it's pretty much done. Just open up the valve, fill your dirty water, come straight out. We also have our bedding. We only have one sheet of bedding, so it needs to be dry tonight. And that's where this special machine comes in handy. Take your piece of clothing, bring it up to the middle part here and start moving it. And I'll take the whole thing
Dun, 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 dun.
and dry it.
Look at all that water coming out.
Completely out.
Well, not completely.
No, not completely. But pretty good, huh? So, you know, sometimes, of course, you want to wash your clothes and, you know, you have a date that night or something. You have this special outfit in mind. Well, don't worry, because off-grid, you can have a good date with a good, fresh piece of clothing, fast and shipping. So I don't actually know what this thing is called, but it's by Lake City. So if you want one, look them up. To be fair, to dry your clothes, there's nothing better than the sun. And the good old washing line. And so that's it. That's how to wash your clothes off-grid. Clothes are on the washing line now. That's it. If you want to check out our other videos, we have another video with an Amish system, how to shower off-grid using an Amish water heating basin. So you can check that out. Julia's showering, it's a fun time. Thanks, like, subscribe.